Mastering your REVOLUT beneficiaries is key to smooth, secure transactions. Let's dive in. First up, adding a beneficiary. Open your REVOLUT app and tap the payments icon at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a list of your upcoming and past payments. Look for the add new or a plus icon, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on that. Now, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to add them. You can select person to add someone from your contacts or enter their details manually if you choose person. Grant REVOLUT access to your contacts if you haven't already. Scroll through your list and tap on the contact you want to add. If you're adding manually, you'll need their REVOLUT details. This can be their phone number, email, or their REVOLUT link. Enter this information accurately, and then you'll likely need to confirm their name. Some regions might also ask for their bank details for traditional transfers. Before finalizing, review all the details carefully to prevent any errors. Once you're happy, hit Add Now or a similar confirmation button. You might receive a confirmation notification from REVOLUT. Now, let's talk about removing a beneficiary. It's just as straightforward. From the main dashboard, navigate back to Payments. This time, you'll want to find your list of beneficiaries or payees. This is often found by tapping on your profile picture or a dedicated beneficiaries section within the app. Once you find the list, locate the beneficiary you wish to remove. You can usually tap on their name to open their profile or a menu of options. Look for an option that says Remove Beneficiary. Delete contact or a trash can icon. Tapping this will usually bring up a confirmation prompt. REVOLUT prioritizes security, so you'll likely be asked to confirm your decision, possibly with your passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. This is a crucial step to ensure you're authorizing the removal. Confirm, and that beneficiary will be removed from your list. Managing your beneficiaries ensures your money goes exactly where you intend it. To keep your contact list updated for seamless sending and receiving on REVOLUT,